Discover your own peaceful retreat nestled on 25 acres of pristine countryside. This exquisitely maintained home features 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, offering spacious comfort and privacy. All bedrooms have large walk-in closets. A large unfinished attic space presents the potential addition of living area or use it as generous storage. The full, large concrete basement offers storage, recreation, or workshop possibilities. Step into the most inviting 4-season room, where tall windows frame views of hardwoods and meandering trails. Stay comfortable in every season with efficient geothermal heating and cooling. This property includes both an attached 2-car garage with a half bath and a detached 2-car garage, providing practical space for vehicles, outdoor equipment, or workshop projects. Beyond the house, 15 of the 25 acres are thick woods with well-kept trails, perfect for hiking, bird watching, or quiet exploration. This one won't last long. Call Lindsay Walker Moore to schedule your private tour today.